Or
What?
what? So, sprayed the back with black because I had a bunch of blue overspray. You know, wouldn't be that pretty.
And it wasn't pretty anyway because it was like scuzzy. God, look at that. That's beautiful. I can't wait for the decals to show up. And I'm gonna be like, oh god. That thing's gonna look so hot on the engine stand, all ready to go.
Got a little bit of touch-up work around the edge, and then
You're gonna do a little edging.
yeah, I'm gonna edge. I'm edging William. No, not William. Phil. And then back here, I'm hiding the other pieces. Nice. So this one's completely done. Don't have any touch-up to do on that. And then outside here. Hey, shh.
I'm singing to myself, boo.
We have this piece. The bottom. It's all black inside. And or blue. This one, I have a little bit to do. Like I'm gonna go focus. The light isn't helping. There you go. So you got some touch up to do around the edges because it was masked, and when I peeled the tape off, it peeled it. But yeah, I'm getting there. Almost done. Just touch up work. That's all it left. That's all that's left. So see you guys later.